Hello everybody, today we make a chicken piccata. For the ingredient I got the breast chicken, the chicken I pined already, and I put salt and black pepper. I got over here wine, lemon, pepper, flour, already salt and black pepper, butter, and chicken stock. Okay, now we started with the oil and the butter to warm up for the chicken. Yeah, I put one piece of butter. You gotta melt nice this. I low down a little bit. I don't want the butter to be burned. And we start with the chicken. The chicken, you gotta be flour. Okay, we put it right over here. Okay, now this is not too thick, it's a thin piece. You gotta cook like a couple of minutes, both sides. Okay, now one side it's good. You can see, look, nice color. And now we gotta do on the other side. Now look at this chicken, a nice color you got already. This chicken, when it be ready, it gotta be so tender and juicy. Okay, now we load the gas, and the chicken it's done on the other side, and I want to put it right on this dish over here. Okay, then after this, you gotta go back on the pots, the same pots I got over here. Now we gotta start the sauce, and we put another piece of butter. We melted this butter out a little more, and now we got the lemon. And I got the wine. Now the lemon, it give a nice fresh taste. And with the wine, much, much better. And I got the caper. The caper, make sure to wash really good because the caper it's salty. And we saute the caper with the wine and the lemon. Okay, and now we gotta put the chicken stock. All right. Now we leave cook this little bit more, start the boil, and we gotta put the chicken back, the cook, and like this, the chicken piccata be ready. But now let's cook the lemon, the wine, and the caper together first. Okay, now already boiled, and we put the chicken back, the cook a little bit more, all together. Now the chicken, you gotta get a good flavor with the lemon, the wine, the caper, and like this, it tastes really good, and it be really nice and tender. Okay. Now this you gotta cook for 10 minutes, really low. You see it boil, bubble a little bit. Once in a while, I want to turn on the other side. Okay, now it's ready to go. We put rye over here. I want to test my beautiful chicken piccata. Okay, now let me take a nice piece. We put rye over here in this dish. I want to put a little sauce. I love the pepper. Right on the top like that. Oh, little fresh, nice parsley. And let's taste. Oh, the night. But look how tender. Look how beautiful this chicken look. I don't think I put a chicken in my mouth. It melted already. More soft to the butter. This it's really, really tender. And with this, I want to say salute e cincin to everybody. This is chicken piccata. It's really, really good. Salute e cincin to everybody. Oh, this chicken is so tender, it looks like I'm drinking soup. It's so tender, it's like baby food. It's so tender, it's like a mashed potato. It's so soft, it tastes like dry sausage.
That was hard.
It's so tender, smooth like ice cream.